Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. Experience it for yourself today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.